Hey guys, I'm Dave, and in this video I'm going to give you an update on the F150 that we repaired about a year ago. Okay, so this is the F150 about a year after that repair. Still running, still driving good. The noise has not come back. And yeah, so it fixed my problem. Just doing a quick walk around. Actually done a lot of things to this truck that I did not film. I wish I would have. But I thought one thing that you guys might like is these trucks came with a bench seat in the front. And I took that out and I put in Expedition seats, leather seats. And I put in the vinyl rear seats out of I believe it was a 99 F150. What's good about the Expedition seats is they bolt right in. The power all works. I got it wired up like a stereo. Got a fuse near the battery. But yeah, kind of like the look. Talked to a guy the other day. He's gonna do the same look at his. He don't like the bench, and so if you want bucket seats in your F150, Expedition seats work perfect. So yeah, hey, if this video or my other videos seem to help you out, I appreciate it if you would like, subscribe, share, give me a thumbs up. Definitely going to take a lot more videos going forward. Going to make it to where I try to film everything and keep you guys in the loop.